Hi, this is Ogi with 4K Shooters. I'm at Photokina 2018. I'm at the Sennheiser stand. This is Robb from Sennheiser. He's going to talk to you about their new memory mic.
That's right. This is the memory mic. The memory mic is a wireless portable recording solution for iOS and Android devices. This is a very unique product in that it allows you to automatically synchronize your audio to your video, so there's no editing that has to happen, which is a perfect example here at this trade show. So for example, if you're running around with any type of gimbal or a product that you want to utilize your smartphone or your tablet device, you can utilize the memory mic to capture broadcast quality audio. That's going to be 16-bit, 48 kilohertz, and you'll get up to 4 hours of recording time with this product. You'll be able to turn it on, and once it synchronizes via Bluetooth, it just does one initial synchronization for that Bluetooth signal. It will put a timestamp on, and then you have no distance limitation. So this is very unique in that you can record somebody that's doing a lecture far away using a iOS or Android device. Very simple and easy to operate. It's a one-button audio to video synchronization, and it pushes the audio back over a wireless LAN signal. And that's basically it. It's an omnidirectional microphone, picks up fantastically from all directions, and has a non-marring magnetic clip, USB-C charging, and again, you get 4 hours of operational time out of the memory mic. This is shipping now. It's available for $199 US, and we're looking forward to selling a lot of these as a solution provider for all audio needs with smartphone and tablet devices.
Sweet. Thank you so much, Robb. Really appreciate your time. You have a good day.